Welcome to Technology Tuition. Today we're diving into AWS Lambda, the service revolutionizing serverless computing by letting you run code without provisioning servers and billing only for the compute time you consume in milliseconds. You'll discover how Lambda shifts focus from infrastructure management to writing business logic. Serverless means AWS handles servers, operating systems, and infrastructure. You simply write functions in Python, Node.js, Java, or C#, upload them to Lambda, and configure triggers, no servers for you to manage. Lambda functions run in isolated containers managed by AWS. Triggers include API gateway for HTTP requests, S3 events for file uploads, DynamoDB streams for database changes, CloudWatch scheduled events, and SNS SQS messages for asynchronous processing. Automatic scaling handles from a few invocations up to thousands of concurrent executions instantly. Key benefits of Lambda are cost efficiency with per-request billing, automatic scaling, zero server management, high availability across multiple availability zones, and rapid development cycles. Use cases include building web backends, processing ETL data pipelines, performing real-time analytics, pre-processing machine learning data, and developing RESTful APIs. Companies such as Netflix and Airbnb leverage Lambda for video processing, data analytics pipelines, and handling high-traffic events like flash sale order processing, showcasing its versatility and reliability. To start, create a function in the AWS console, choose a runtime, write code inline or upload a package, configure triggers, and deploy. The free tier includes 1 million requests and 400,000 GB seconds of compute time per month. AWS Lambda focuses on business logic rather than servers. Next, we'll explore Amazon RDS. Subscribe to Technology Tuition for more AWS content.